Though the Mercedes-AMG G63 originated in 1979 when the first G-Class SUV was an all-business military off-roader, it is a familiar sight on the streets of Beverly Hills these days. Years later, the G63 model gained popularity for its boxy shape, premium interior finishes, bold twin-turbo V8 engine, and off-road ability, a high-performance all-terrain luxury SUV with a legendary past. Though under the AMG's hood lies a 577 horsepower twin-turbo V8, the current G63 is based on the rather less flashy Mercedes-Benz G550, all-wheel drive and a 9-speed automated transmission are standard. Just as readily as it can tiptoe down a jagged mountain track, the G63 can tear up a drag strip. Once both of those chores are finished, it can be used to turn heads as you draw up to the valet stand at a fancy restaurant. Actually, the only thing about this luxury off-roader that bothers me is its six-figure price tag. However, that's the cost of perfection and uniqueness combined with an equal dose of crazy. The G63 depends on a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine producing 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. The V8 is helped by a 48-volt hybrid system but offers no electric-only driving range. Low range and triple locking differentials, center, front, and rear, let a 9-speed automatic funnels torque to the all-wheel drive system, 4MATIC in Mercedes marketing terminology, ensuring maximum traction should the driver travel off-road. The AMG modification covers the suspension, therefore optimizing it to manage the more power on road while maintaining off-road performance. Although the G's independent front suspension is far better than the solid front axle arrangement of the previous generation, the stability control keeps a tight-fisted grasp on this top-heavy beast, hence restricting its cornering grip to a meager 0.75 grams on our 300-foot circumference skid pad. Though few can match the G63 off-road prowess, several high-performance SUVs stick to the pavement significantly better. The newly available hydraulic adaptive suspension, which offers a better ride both on and off-road, really pleased us in our first test drive. The G-Class's basic square-shouldered shape stays the same, but the interior gains from the same premium materials, tech and convenience accoutrement that permeates the Mercedes roster. Leather upholstery, a 12.0-inch digital instrument display, cup holders, and surround view camera system abound. Along with leather-bound AMG steering wheel, heated front and rear seats also make the standard list. Both the front and the rear will provide enough head and legroom for taller drivers and passengers. There is still no power liftgate around the rear of the G-Class. You must be in good shape to open the side hinged gate, which has a full-size spare tire placed on it. The back seats up will provide 38 cubic feet of cargo room. Folding them down, 60-40 split, results almost in 69 cubic feet.